skies that I tried to leave, like a mirage, like a mirage. The skies that you don't keep on my arms, I appear empty, like a mirage, like a mirage.
This road is going to Budan Giri, and this is really very sexy, like amazing. So friends, this is the road to Budan Giri, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा बुरा है. So last 1.5 kilometer will be like this stretch. You have to struggle and juggle a lot to get to Budan Giri. Please go slow, don't riv on this road. Better not to go beyond 25-30. So far the road was very good, but now it's not at all good. So this is the badass road. यहाँ पे ट्रायम टाइगर होता तो मजा आ जाता. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इस रास्ते से वापस भी आना है हमें. खराब रास्ता हमेशा लोगों को ज़्यादा टायर्ड बना देता है, स्पेशली ऐसे रास्ते. So roads are good now again, thanks to whoever made this. भाई जब ये रास्ता बनाया तो वो रास्ता क्यों नहीं बनाया? And what is this? ये क्या है? बुदान गिरी कहाँ है? यहाँ पे पूछना पड़ेगा किसी को, है ना? बुदान गिरी. ओके, सॉरी. थैंक यू अंकल. Budan Giri. This is really amazing. We will go that side or that side? First we will go that side. वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं सब. So this is Chikkamagaluru and we are at Chikkamagaluru, right?
Z point.
Chikkamagaluru Z point. We were not supposed to take that turn. There is no network, so I can't upload or update my stories right now. So this place is very nice, very beautiful, as you can see over here. Like there are steps you have to get down, and you will get this view up there. So far so good. So see you at Budan Giri, where we are supposed to go. So right now we are at Baba Budangiri and this place is really awesome. So where we are going next?
Let's see. पहले यहाँ से तो निकले बहुत
पहले यहाँ बहुत धूप भी है बहुत ज़्यादा. अच्छा यहाँ पे एक भाई की गाड़ी ख़राब हो गई है तो इन्हें थोड़ा हेल्प कर देंगे और लेट्स सी क्या होता है. और ये है बाबा बुदांगिरी. So far so good. भूख तो बहुत लगी है बट जिंजटी रॉक्स. अभी हम बाबा बुदांगिरी से वापस आए हैं एंड ये रही मेरी बाइक और वी विल गो टू विच फॉल्स? Buttermilk, yeah. We are going to Buttermilk Falls and it's like 1.5 kilometer of walk. So we have to keep our bike over there somewhere and then we will walk towards the falls. Hope it's worth the walk. Right now we have taken a small tea break and थोड़ा सा भूख लगी थी. थोड़ा सा नहीं एक्चुअली बहुत भूख लगी थी तो हम खा रहे हैं कुछ खाना. क्या खा रहे हैं? तो हम खा रहे हैं ये एग टोस्ट और उसके साथ ये चाय. So far so good. Weather is so pleasant over here. So see you at the falls. Back to off-roading. So right now we have reached which falls? Buttermilk. Yeah. So we have reached Buttermilk Falls and we have to walk a little bit because 2 किलोमीटर का वॉक था बट ज़बरदस्ती हम लोगों ने बाइक चला के ले आया यहाँ तक. हमें किसी ने बोला कि भाई उतने 2 किलोमीटर क्यों चलना, सो बाइक ले जाओ तो हम ले आए बाइक. अभी देखते हैं फॉल्स क्या रहता है. ओह फॉल्स अच्छा है. फॉल्स इज़ रियली प्रिटी. सो फार सो गुड. Finally we are done with the falls and we are heading back to our room. So बहुत मज़ा आया. It's fun and this is the first day of 2018. So I think we have lots of fun over here. So it's really very beautiful. I recommend you people to come once and visit this fall. So till then, take care. See you. Right now we have reached the Hundamaya Fall. This is the Hundamaya Fall. So this one will come on the way towards Baba Budangiri and this is really very beautiful. You can take a small 5-minute halt and check out this place. So this is the beautiful sunset. And we are all the way back to our hotel room in Chikkamagaluru. Basically, these places are not in Chikkamagaluru. These are in outskirts of Chikkamagaluru. You have to travel some around 15 kilometers, 15 to 18 kilometers to reach this place. And then after that, this trek part will mountain parts will come. Yes, excuse me. So it's freezing, bro. It's so beautiful. This is the beautiful sunset I have ever seen so far. That's why I love mountains and hill stations. This is the only reason. I don't know whether this action camera is doing justice to this view or not, but this is really very awesome. I have no words for this sunset. Thank God we came. Thank God we came to this place. So we are exiting the check post. Chalo, bye bye.